Hey you guys, it's Lucinda Carroll. So I have just completed my centerpiece for my dining room table, and I have painted a canvas that has love on it with the airs, and you might can't tell, but I have some gold glitter sprinkled around it, so I thought it turned out pretty good. I've been on this canvas kick for my centerpieces for my dining room table for ever since Thanksgiving, so I might as well, I figured just keep the tradition going, so I like it. I've done some lanterns with some red balls, and I have red candles, and this set right here is special to me and my husband. We got married in February 16th actually, and so our colors for our wedding was red and white, and so I wanted to add this set to our centerpiece. It's our glasses that we had that we drank our sparkling wine out of, and the centerpiece that was actually for my cake. So it turned out that I really like how this turned out. So I'm gonna go around. As you know, I made some plates for Christmas with sayings on them, and I thought that turned out really good, so I decided to just keep the tradition going. And so I have made plates that has words that represent Valentine's, and I thought that this project turned out really cute as well. I purchased the white plates. I actually purchased both plates. This is a red charger underneath, and then I purchased the white plate, both from Dollar Tree, and I cut out the words with my Cricut machine and then just laid them on the center of my plates. So I really am very proud of how my centerpiece and my table settings turned out. If this project inspires you, then you better get on the move with getting your Valentine decorations started. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications of when I upload videos to my channel. All right, you guys, have a great evening. Bye-bye.